This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a super easy, super delicious dish, scallion noodles. We start off by making some scallion oil. I have here 100 grams of scallions or spring onions. Smash the bottom white parts. This is to help it release its aromatics and flatten it to the thickness of the green parts. Cut these up into about 2 to 3 fingers width length. You don't need to be very accurate here. Spread the scallions evenly at the bottom of a pan. Put this over the heat and add about 200 ml of oil. Use any non-flavor oil like vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Do not use olive oil. And you do not need to heat up the oil before putting the scallions in. Turn on the heat to medium-low and let this simmer to slowly release its flavor. Cook this for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, to the soy sauce mixture. In a bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir to dissolve the sugar. You can put this in the microwave and heat it up a little so that it's easier for you to dissolve the sugar. You can play around with this ratio to come up with a flavor profile that you like, but this is a good starting point. Back to the scallion oil. Pick up the pieces that are turning medium brown and drain them on a kitchen towel. When you have picked out everything, turn off the heat. Bottle it and you can use it for a variety of recipes, not for just this scallion noodles recipe. Next, prepare the noodles. Use any noodles that you like, from homemade egg noodles to dried pasta to instant noodles. Recipe link to the homemade egg noodles in the description below. Now to assemble the dish. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of scallion oil, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce over the noodles. Again, play around with this ratio till you get a flavor profile that you like. Top the noodles with the cooked scallions. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over it, together with some uncooked scallions. I also happen to have some red chilies left over from another recipe video. This is Chinese scallion noodles.